Hi guys, welcome to Tactive channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in your Instagram account without ID and password. So let's go to browser first. After going to browser, you have to log into your Gmail account, which Gmail account is associated with your Facebook account. I mean, which Gmail account is linked or associated with your Facebook account. Okay, so I'm writing here Gmail and login here gmail.com. After login to Gmail, you have to click on top right corner your profile icon. Now go to manage your account, go to security, this third option. Now scroll down and bottom you'll find password manager. Click on this. Now you have to scroll down till you find instagram.com. Here's all of your passwords. Okay, you can see here instagram.com. Click on this. Now you have to write down or put your email password, this specific mail's password. Now click on next. Now you can see your email here and your password here. Okay, so if you want to see your password, click on this I button and you'll be able to see the password. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.